So mm, this was the first day of learning React, and basically I haven't learned a lot of things today, but I have something to share. Like I just know some core concepts of React.js, and here is something called component, and components are three types. Sorry, four types. The types are this. First type is similar in look, different in data. That means this kind of blocks, they are similar containers, similar in look, but they are different. What to say? Thumbnail, then title, page logo, or channel logo, and other informations. So that's the thing. Then another is all of these things. I mean this line, then this line. These things are different containers, right? So this kind of containers are another type. Be a good one. Wikipedia. So yeah, in Wikipedia you can see this, right? This thing in this news is a container, on this day is a container, but they don't have any different similar looking data, right? That's another thing. And then there is a thing that is just standalone component, like this kind of footers. This footer is just available here, not I mean there is nothing looks similar to this kind of footer here, right? Then I have learned a thing that is rest countries with map.js. I mean this is a file. I have practiced this, and this is a free website from a free API, and there is something new that I have done is this thing, destructuring. I mean there this thing could be called a little differently, like instead of these names there could be country, and then whenever I call those things, first country dot name, then country dot capital, then country dot flags, that dot png. That's how it would work if I just declare the country, but because this kind of destructuring, I am able to do this like that. Yeah. And then there are examples of single page application, like this YouTube is a single page application. I mean if I click there, it it's not loading from the uh, code thing. Then this or whatever is happening in this thing, not just something from outside. Yeah, so that's it. This uh, one single page application, what is called SPA. Maybe I should go for SPA benefits in web, and these are the benefits. I've written something like it's easy, easy load, then it has better experience, better user experience, and better UI, and most important thing is it is mobile friendly. Whenever the user load the web page first, if the user the user if the user open a page that is suppose home page, then the website will load only the home page. Then if the user is scrolling something and watching something, it will keep loading things, and in background it will keep loading. If the user is just open the website and done nothing, is just still with the image, even then on that time also the the website will keep loading the rest data, and that is called lazy loading. And there is a problem with one page single page applications, that is they are less useful in SEO. So that's a thing to keep in mind. And single page applications have some security issues also, but it's okay somehow. I mean, people are getting what to do, how to do. And let's see. Then there was another thing that just to give me some kind of hint. I was knowing about this thing a little bit. That is path or route. I mean, in this thing, if I see this URL, it is just youtube.com. If I go to subscription, it's youtube.com/feed/subscription. Here, this thing /feed/subscription in the is the path or the route. Yeah. Then I have know something that is called attribute versus properties. And attributes or properties are things like here are things that, let's say, there we can add an ID. This is a attribute. Class is a attribute. Then title is a attribute. Placeholder, this kind of thing don't work here, but in the input field, the type, then placeholder, all these things are attribute. Type, placeholder, ID, class, title, these things are called attribute in HTML. And it calls props or properties in JS or React JS. That's the core difference. Or this kind of things are same, but just little changes there. That is, if I say class as a attribute in JS, I have to say class name, because mm, the only class is a keyword in JS that works with something different. I am not getting it right now, but yeah. And then there is something called state. State is something like the condition. The state can be figured out like whenever I play a YouTube video. This video is in
नहीं तुमने देखी
state of viewing or streaming state. Then if I click on it, it has a like, and that's how the state of this video change. If I comment something, it will change again. If I do something, then it will change again. And that's how state change on thing. Yep. And there was something, some interview questions. These are actually, I should write these interview questions and add add on my website as blog. So if you think that uh, you should know what are these interview questions, then do check the link below. That's all for today. Now what I have learned